Hi, my name is Ben. I'm a geospatial analyst at L3Harris Technologies. Today, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about chasing tornadoes. Hello, and welcome to Chasing a Tornado in December in Illinois. Wait, don't those happen in the spring? You bet. They can happen any time of year in this part of the country. In this short video, we'll discuss some of the ingredients necessary to form tornadoes, different stages of tornado development, and the most important element of tornado chasing, staying safe. This tornado in particular touched down on December 1st, 2018 near Staunton, Illinois. In this still frame, we can see a billowing cumulus cloud with a generally rain-free base. Rain-free bases are great for chasers who want as much visibility as possible when chasing. There are multiple very important components to a potentially tornadic storm visible in this still frame. First, the area of strong inflow and updraft, which is evident where the storm cloud appears to have a very smooth underside or base. Tornadoes need both wind blowing in toward the storm and rapidly rising air currents to form. These two elements help form the updraft and vacuum suction often associated with how tornadoes work. Also visible in this still frame, the distinct updraft tower and a hint of corkscrew striations in the clouds, indicating that the storm is rotating. In this video, taken by my 9-year-old son, you can again clearly see the rain-free base. There is also a hint of a funnel. As he pans, you can make out the sickle shape of the storm, which often looks like this on a Doppler radar. The updraft tower has been tilted by wind shear, or winds that change direction with height. As we zoom in, we can make out the collar cloud, or a ring of cloud seen occasionally at the top of a rotating wall cloud or funnel cloud, and a small funnel extending from the base of this storm. Not much seems to be going on at this point, but we'll start driving to keep an eye on it. I've sped up the video to better show the low-level rotation of this storm. At this point in the video, we should briefly discuss safety while chasing. Tornadic storms are among the most dangerous phenomena in nature. Winds can blow in excess of 200 miles per hour, and tornado motion can be unpredictable. It's important to not get too close and always stay aware of your surroundings. It's always a good idea to chase in small teams, so one person can focus on the road and one person can focus on radar and navigation. Things are starting to look very interesting now. The wall and funnel clouds have tightened up significantly. A tornado could touch down at any time. This is beautiful. A storm chaser's dream. We've got a developing tornado with a bright funnel, sunset turning the sky orange behind the storm, a dark cloud base, and a relatively flat landscape with few visual obstructions. Getting safely closer to the storm is made easier by high-resolution Doppler radar in the palm of my hand. This is a screenshot of the radar presentation of the storm around the time it put down a tornado. The top panel shows reflectivity, which is what we see frequently on TV when meteorologists want to alert us to severe weather. The bottom panel shows the relative wind speed and direction of the storm winds. Green indicates wind blowing toward the radar site in St. Louis, while red indicates wind blowing away from the radar site. Where green shows up next to bright red in this image, we have what's known as a couplet. A small couplet with bright green and bright red next to each other can indicate very tight rotation, possibly even a tornado. It's easy to get lost in the beauty and awesomeness of the situation, and sometimes the footage can include some close-ups of a dashboard. But would you look at that? We just witnessed a tornado touchdown. Underneath the overpass, flying debris from a destroyed pole barn is visible. Power flashes tell us the tornado is still very much on the ground. The tornado lifts soon after it causes damage, possibly sparing homes and businesses on the other side of the interstate. This tornado would touch down and lift repeatedly on its way toward Taylorville, Illinois, where it touched down again and caused EF3 damage. Thanks for joining us on the chase. I hope you enjoyed the video and that you learned a thing or two along the way. Take care and stay healthy.